Hello everyone, my name is Gabby D and today I will be taking you through my smart fan project. Here we can see a block diagram of my project. The components I've used are an Arduino Uno, a motor driver TB66112, an ultrasonic sensor, a DC motor, an MQ135 gas detection sensor, and an OLED display. How it works is that the ultrasonic sensor picks up how far an object is from the ultrasonic sensor and uses this information to control the rotation of the DC motor. The same with the MQ135 gas detection sensor. The MQ135 sensor picks up carbon monoxide levels in a room. Based off this, it rotates the DC motor in another way, which I will show later in the flowchart diagram. The OLED display displays this information on the OLED, and the motor driver ensures that not too much power reaches the DC motor to prevent burnout. On the flowchart diagram, if the pollution in the room is really high, the DC motor turns counterclockwise. The physics behind this is that based on the angle of the blades on the DC motor, the air is either pushed in or it's pushed outwards towards an object. So for the MQ, when the pollution in the room is very high, it turns counterclockwise, which means the air is sucked out through a vent to lower the pollution levels in the room. If the distance is really low, for example, if a person is standing close to the fan, the DC motor starts to turn clockwise. This means that the air is pushed towards the person, and this is why it's a smart fan, because based on the levels of pollution or the distance, it turns counterclockwise or clockwise. If the pollution in the room is good, and if in this case a person is standing far away enough from the motor for it to not go through this decision-making process, the DC motor doesn't run, and it stops. Thank you, and now I'll show you how this works in action. So here's my prototype of the smart fan. Let's see how the distance affects the DC motor. So if I place my hand around 6 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor, you can see that the DC motor is turning clockwise. This means that in real life scenario, if a person is standing next to the fan, and it'll push air towards that person, which is what we want, so the person can cool down. That's turning clockwise. And then if we use pollution, which is how the MQ sensor reacts, it'll turn counterclockwise. So right now it's around 300, and if we keep it near the MQ sensor, it'll decrease. So now it's around 200, it's decreasing. Once it goes below 180, that means that the pollution in the room is okay. It's still turning counterclockwise. And now it's around